Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests of the channel. This is the 5th video on creating a bootable USB flash drive with Windows Server 2022. Today I want to show you another cool utility that has advanced functionality. In this video, we will talk about UNetbootin. UNetbootin is a very good, free utility. It can make a bootable flash drive with ESC, Windows, Linux and all sorts of antivirus disks. It can also download them itself from the internet, which greatly simplifies life. Before I show you where to download UNetbootin, I ask you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. It really motivates you to keep working. Follow the link in the description of this video. Immediately you can see the buttons for downloading the distribution and an overview of the functionality. Just below you can find a huge list of supported Ubuntu distributions, antiviruses, password reset disks and much more. That's cool. Let's download UNetbootin. I draw your attention to the fact that this utility does not require installation. I have already done this before. As a test medium, I have a 16 GB flash drive. Run in administrator mode UNetbootin. By default, the distribution mode is selected, which allows you to download different live CDs from the internet. We will be interested in the disk image mode. It is he who will allow you to slip a pre-downloaded ISO image. You can also use the HDD as a storage medium. A little to the right, you can select the desired media letter. In my example it is one flash drive. To select ISO, press the button in the form of dots. In Windows Explorer, go to the desired directory, select the desired ISO image and download it. To create bootable media, simply click the OK button. If before that you have already used a USB flash drive, then it will warn you that all information on the media will be destroyed as a result of formatting. We are waiting for the complete copying of the files. Let's check that the data of the flash drive got there. Thanks for watching, put your thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, there will be many more interesting things.